Standard 8th General Science, Chapter number 3, Force and Pressure. The next, that is numerical example number 4, is mass of a block of metal is 10 kilogram and its dimensions are length of 50 centimeters, breadth is of 10 centimeters and height is of 20 centimeters. If the metal block is placed on the following surface of the table, find out on which of the surface, either A, B, C, D or C, D, E, F or B, C, F, G, will the pressure exerted on the table be maximum. Now, given data is mass of the block M is equal to 10 kilograms, acceleration due to gravity G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, weight of the block, that is gravitational force acting on the block, will be equal to mass into acceleration. Here mass into acceleration due to gravity, therefore it is equal to 10 kilogram into 9.8 meter per second square. This 10 into 9.8 will be equal to 98 and kilogram meter per second square means Newton. Now solution. Condition number 1. According to the condition number 1, when block is placed on surface A, B, C, D, length will be 50 centimeters. This 50 centimeter is converted into meter. To convert this into meter, we know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, to convert this centimeter into meter, we have to divide this value by 100. Therefore, it is equal to 0.5 meter. Height is of 20 centimeters. This is considered as the breadth. Therefore, 20 centimeters is equal to 0.2 meters. Therefore, pressure exerted by the block on the surface A, B, C, D will be pressure is equal to force divided by area. Here force is equal to 98 Newton divided by, now area is 0.5 meter into 0.2 meter. Now pressure is equal to 98 Newton divided by 0.5 meter into 0.2 meter. This multiplication will be equal to 0.1 meter square. Therefore, now this division will be equal to 980 Newton per meter square. That means 980 Pascal. Now, in second condition, that means when block is placed on the surface C, D, E, F, the length is 50 centimeters. It is converted into meters, that is 0.5 meter. Breadth is of 10 centimeters, is converted into meter, so that we will get the value 0.1 meter. Therefore, pressure exerted by the block on this surface C, D, E, F will be pressure is equal to force divided by area. Now force, as we know, it is 98 Newton divided by 0.5 meter into 0.1 meter is equal to 98 Newton divided by 0.5 into 0.1 will be 0.05 and meter into meter, that is meter square, will be equal to 1960 Newton divided by meter square. Therefore, pressure created will be 1960 Pascal. Now, in the next, that is in third condition, when block is placed on the surface B, C, F, G, here height is of 20 centimeters. This is considered as the length, and breadth is of 10 centimeters. It is considered as the breadth. Now 20 centimeters is equal to 0.2 meter and 10 centimeter means 0.1 meter. Therefore, pressure exerted by the block on the surface BCFG will be pressure is equal to force divided by area. Now as we know, force is equal to 98 Newton divided by 0.2 meter into 0.1 meter is equal to 98 Newton divided by 0.2 into 0.1 is equal to 0.02. Meter into meter means meter raised to 2. Therefore, pressure is equal to 98 divided by 0.02. This division will be equal to 4900 Newton per meter square. That means 4900 Pascal. This much amount of pressure is produced by this surface BCFG. Therefore, from these calculations we can conclude that when the block is placed on the surface BCFG, it will exert maximum pressure, that is of 4900 Pascal. The next numerical example is numerical example number 5. A piece of marble tile weighs 100 gram in air if its density is 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. What will be its weight in water? Now given data is weight of the tile in air, that is mass, is equal to 100 gram. Actually this is mass, this is not the weight. Okay. Density of the tile is equal to 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Solution is, according to the formula for density, density is equal to mass divided by volume. Volume is taken to the left hand side, it will come into the numerator, and this 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter will go into the denominator on the right hand side. Therefore, now we will get 100 gram divided by 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. The gram which is present in numerator and gram present in the denominator will both be cancelled by each others, and now 100 divided by 2.5 divided by cubic centimeter. This cubic centimeter will come into the numerator and the division will be equal to 100 divided by 2.5, it will be 40. Therefore, volume of that marble piece is 40 cubic centimeter. According to the Archimedes principle, when any object is completely dipped in water, it displaces the volume of water which is equal to the volume of that object. Then volume of water displaced is equal to mass of the water displaced. Therefore, loss of weight of the object is also equal to the volume of the water displaced or mass of the water displaced. Therefore, mass in water is equal to 60 gram. Thank you.